Welcome to Local Lectures. This is Dharmaji. After a long time, I am back with you a project that is sun tracking device. Firstly, I would like to explain each and every component involved in that project. Later on, I will show you how the orientation takes place of the solar panel with respect to the movement of the sun. This is overall setup of the sun tracking device. For the demo purpose, LED light used as a lighting source in the place of sun. This is LDR. LDR is a photoresistor. Its resistance value will vary depending upon the change in the light intensity. Therefore, LDR acts as light sensor. LDR is fixed middle of the solar panel platform. LDR is connected to Arduino R3 board. Solar panel platform will rotate towards parallel to the sun by the interfacing LDR with the stepper motor through Arduino board. This is motor driver. Motor driver controls the spinning speed of the stepper motor and the spinning direction. It is connected between stepper motor and Arduino board. This is stepper motor. It produces 10.5 kg centimeter holding torque. To increase holding torque from 10.5 kg centimeter to 84 kg centimeter, the stepper motor is mounted on gearbox. Gearbox, rotating assembly, base frame design is done on SolidWorks and molding is done by the 3D printing. Let us watch the working of sun tracking device.